Hi guys, so I thought I'd do another video considering everybody's locked up inside on lockdown and we just can't ride it. So one thing I've been meaning to do is look at this controller. So I fitted the Oxford Hotgrips Adventure grips, which was easy enough. I didn't do a video on it, but it was easy. But anyway, the problem I've got is the controller bracket. So it comes with this rubbish bracket behind this metal piece, and all it is a square the same size as the controller, and then it has a pointed part, and really you're supposed to fit it in between one of the bolts on your wing mirrors or whatever, but it's a bit rubbish, it's a bit naff, it looks horrible, and I ended up just bending it over and sticking a zip tie around at the moment, just with a little bit of adhesive tape behind, just to hold it in place. I mean, it holds in place, but it's a bit rubbish. So thought, well, I've got a 3D printer, let's print one. So one of my good friends, Jules, he's an absolute wizard on CAD. He printed one up for me. So it's 2 parts. So it'll go behind and this will go on the front. A couple of captive nuts put in there, 5mm or M5 nuts, M5 bolts, and then hopefully we'll screw it in. I might have to trim down the bolts slightly if they're slightly too long. So I'm going to whip this off, screw it onto the backing plate, put this through, offer it up and see how we're getting on. And hopefully it'll be a bit better than the crappy metal one that Oxford supply with no alternative. I might reprint it in black, I'll see whether orange is alright, but we'll have a look. So that's the new clamp on. There's a bit of a gap at the moment, so I'm just going to screw it up, but the controller should fit on there nicely, and it won't be as ugly as that horrible bit of metal just hanging on the handlebars. So that's it, the backing plate screwed onto the controller, so it fits bang on, lovely job, and it'll mount up, and then I'll screw the 2 bolts through into the captive nuts that are on the other side. Should be a good job. And there we go, she's on, tight as anything, that is not going anywhere, whole bike's moving. Don't look too bad orange, but like I say, might change it to black. I'll see how I feel. Yeah, good job. Anyone want one? Give us a shout. We'll see what we can do. If you've got the Oxford Hotgrip Adventure, or just the Oxford Hotgrips, and it's for a 22mm bar up here, but as you can see, there's a gaps here. It can accommodate slightly different size bars, probably, I don't know, a fair few mil smaller and quite a few mil bigger, but it fits spot on. Just need to get out and ride.